Top 5 apps like Flip app review that actually work today. Flip app is known for cashback and financial tracking, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other verified money-saving apps. The surprising truth is there are apps that track spending, offer rewards, and provide verified cashbacks. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Rakuten offers cashback on online purchases with verified rewards. Users love simplicity and reliable payouts. Second, Dosh provides automatic cashback with linked cards. Customers highlight instant verified earnings and easy use. Third, Honey offers coupon codes and cashback tracking. Users report verified discounts and convenience. Fourth, Ibotta combines grocery and retail cashback with verified payments. App users value clear instructions and real money rewards. Finally, Swagbucks provides multiple earning methods including cashback and surveys. Users appreciate verified rewards and flexible redemption. Pro tip: always link verified accounts and track cashback progress. This ensures you actually receive rewards without missing out. Using these 5 apps, you can save money, earn cashback, and track spending efficiently.